Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Incredibles Dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully I will be able to meet up with Mr. Incredible himself and kick some butt alongside him. Hopefully he does not see us as a bad guy and tries to kick our butt, because my butt wasn't made for kicking. Like, my butt was not made for kicking at all, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 20 red wool. You want to place 5 of them on the ground, guys, just like that. Then you're going to need for yellow wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your red wool, just like that, guys, and then place another one on this side. And now you just want to go ahead, jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red wool, and then 1 yellow wool on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down, and then you want to do the exact same thing on this side. So 5 red wool, and then 5 red wool in the middle, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you just want to go ahead and place 1 yellow wool on the edge. And now you can just go ahead and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. Now you want to take your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow! Don't that look absolutely amazing, guys? Now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the Incredible Dimension, guys. Hopefully, I'm really hoping this guy don't beat me up. And then he might even have his son Dash come out and beat me up. That would be really, really bad. But wow! This must be his house. He has an absolutely humongous house, guys. And oh my god, he has a spider problem. Oh my god, do you guys see how big that spider is? I'm going to have to exterminate it for him. Boom, take that spider. Oh my god, where'd he go? Boom. Thank God we took him out. Thank God we took him out. Now I'm going to have to go in there and give Mr. Incredible my extermination bill. And oh my god, right there he is. I am such a huge fan of yours, Mr. Incredible. Wow, I cannot believe I'm actually meeting you. But that being said, I kind of killed a spider outside, and you're going to have to pay me. Oh, my God. What? I don't think he wants to pay me. I don't think I'm getting paid today. I don't think I'm getting paid by Mr. Incredible. But, wow, this must be his bedroom. And, wow, he has an absolutely humongous TV. That's obviously the TV that he watches the Incredibles on. And, wow, he has a nice flower bed as well, guys. That's pretty nice. And, oh, my God, he even has an upstairs kitchen. Wow, where he can wash his hands or he can get like a cup of water. You know, I got to show this to my pig. What do you think, pig? Ain't this absolutely amazing? This is absolutely amazing. Wow, he even has a fridge. Oh my god, I definitely need to include this in my house. And 2 ovens. Wow, you are really rolling in the dough, Mr. Incredible. He even has a balcony. He even has a balcony, guys, so he don't have to, you know, like break his roof when he tries to fly out on the inside of his house, because then like rain gets on the inside and like a bunch of stuff, so he can just take off flying that way, guys. But whoa, he has a toilet, he has a double sink. That's obviously for him and his wife, guys. And oh my god, he even has a tub. He even has a tub, guys. Wow, this is amazing. He's probably going to be upset about me creating some bubbles in his tub. Because I think we all know where bubbles come from, guys. But let's go ahead and shut that back. And let's go ahead and see what Mr. Incredible's looking at. What are you looking at, Mr. Incredible? He's just so happy, guys. He's just so happy. Let's go ahead and see what he got down here, guys. And oh my god, are you trying to leave right now, pig? Are you trying to leave the most epic house ever? Well, I can't believe that, guys. But whoa, this must be his kitchen. This looks really modernized, guys. Like, this really looks modernized. Like, he got a nice kitchen. I should modernize my kitchen like this. Like, I didn't even think to do that right there, guys. Like, that is pretty epic. That's pretty epic right there. And oh my gosh, why is this blocked off with dirt blocks? Let's go ahead and break in here, guys, and see what's going on. Oh my god, there's zombies. Oh my god, there's zombies. You want some, bros? Boom, you want some, bros? I'm not Mr. Incredible, but I'll still take you out. Oh, boy. Boom, boom. Oh, wow. Oh my god. I took him out, guys. I took all those zombies out before they could do anything. I kicked them all right in the butt. Right in the butt, I kicked them all in, guys. Let's go ahead and break all this dirt because there shouldn't be a bunch of dirt inside Mr. Incredible's house. His house is better than this, guys. Let's go ahead and break all that away. Now his house is really, really nice. I'm just hoping there's no more spiders. There's no more zombies. Hopefully there's nothing else. And you better like give me a costume or something for taking out all those spiders and taking out all those zombies. Hopefully he lets me in the Incredibles, guys. But whoa, this must be his attic, and at this moment it's empty. I'm not for sure why it's empty. Where does this lead, guys? Oh my god, there's an extra room, and you can actually see where we came from out the window. Maybe that's just like a view room. Let's go. And oh my god, no. Wow, there's no staircase there. I thought there would be a staircase for sure, guys. Wow, what's out here? Wow, he has a grill, and he also has 2 sinks out here, guys. That's obviously where he cleans his utensils. So obviously he likes to cook out, which that kind of makes sense because who don't love to cook out, and make hot dogs and make hamburgers and make French fries, and there's just so much stuff you can make when you have a cookout. And it's really hard to say what he has. Probably bacon. If I had to guess, that's probably what he has. That probably just scared my pig so bad. He probably has some Reuben sandwiches, to be honest. But let's go ahead and blow this place up, guys, because you guys already know where they live. Like, they gotta get a new location now. They gotta be relocated. I know he really didn't want to relocate because, like, this place is absolutely amazing. Like, I would definitely not want to relocate if I had an amazing place like this. But, he just got to. He got to because there's going to be too many bad guys showing up to his place now. So let's just go ahead and blow this whole entire place up with TNT. It's best for him. It's best for you. Yeah, pig. You're probably going to get turned into a Reuben sandwich. You're probably going to get turned into a Reuben sandwich later. But here it goes, guys. Let's watch this explosion. Boom. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Wow, did you guys see that TNT come flying right at me and blow me up? Oh, wow. Oh, my God. He must have busted out of the back wall. Oh, my God. He must have been so happy to go to that other place. I'm going to have to see that other place that he went to because it's probably way more amazing than this place, guys. Like, wow, I know it's more amazing than this place now, but wow, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, and until next time, guys, thanks for watching, bye.